Difference between complier and interpreter. Feature: compiler, interpreter. 1. Translation method. Compiler translates the entire program at once. Interpreter translates the program one line at a time. 2. Execution speed. Faster. The translation is already done beforehand. Slower. It has to translate and execute simultaneously. 3. Memory usage. Higher. Needs extra memory to store the compiled object code executable file. Lower. No intermediate object code or executable file is generated. 4. Debugging and errors. Harder. Displays all errors at the very end. You must fix everything before it runs. Easier. Stops immediately when it finds an error, making it easy to spot exactly where things went wrong. 5. Common languages. C, C++, Rust, Go. Python, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP.